Imagine you could build a complete app with a great design, a backend, and AI features all from a single command. Well, with Rocket, now you can. It's like having a full product team right in your browser, a top designer, a senior developer, and a product strategist all working with you in real time. When we start building an app with Rocket, there are several different ways we can do it. Let me give you a quick overview of all the available options. The most straightforward way is to use the chat box right here. You write your request here, click this button, and the app will start building. But there are other options too. At the top, you'll find some common use cases. For example, if you want to create a website, you can click the website button and then describe the site you want to build. The same applies for mobile apps and web apps. Below these options, you'll see two more: attach and import Figma. With attach, you can upload a screenshot of the app you want to create, or even a wireframe sketch showing the design or components you want to use. The Import Figma button does exactly what it says. You can import your Figma file and turn it directly into a working app. The Figma import feature is amazing, especially if you're a designer, because now you can also be a developer. You can bring in your Figma designs and instantly turn them into responsive, ready-to-use applications. But these aren't the only ways to start. If you look at the top, you'll see the Templates button. This allows you to start your project using a pre-built template. For example, if you want to create a landing page for a SaaS app and you find a template you like, you can click Learn More to see more details about it, preview the design, and check the included pages. If you like it, simply click Use this template, and Rocket will start building from there. Using templates has many advantages, and one of the most important is saving tokens. For instance, if you want to build a website for your brand and use an existing template, it won't cost you any tokens. But if you don't use a template and build the site from scratch in Rocket, it will consume a certain number of tokens, as shown at the top. This way, you can start with a common use case and then customize it to your needs. Using templates saves you a lot of time and resources. Now, at the top, you'll see the Built with Rocket option. If you click it, you can actually see some apps created by other users. Be sure to check them out. They're a great source of inspiration and show you what's possible with Rocket. I will ask it to create a web app for tracking a healthy lifestyle with the following structure. We need a goal tracking section that includes a list of wellness goals. I then told it what information each goal should contain, and I added some extra details for other sections I want to make sure are included. Private mode unlocks only when you upgrade. I've now entered the command. I'll press Enter to start the building process. Rocket will take a few seconds to understand our request, then it will give us a default framework. In fact, Rocket lets you customize this framework if you click the button here. But based on your specific use case, it can understand what you want to build and suggest the best framework for you. I'll continue using the default framework. It will ask us a few extra questions to fully understand what we want to build. It's like having a strategist sitting next to you, building the app with you step by step. Now, Rocket has analyzed what we want to build, thought it through, and suggested the pages we might need. Here we can choose which pages we want to start with. In my case, I want to proceed with all of these pages. However, the fewer pages you choose, the fewer tokens you'll use. The number of tokens you consume really depends on how many pages you decide to build. So it's a good idea to think carefully and only build the pages you actually need. I've selected these pages and now I'll click the Build My Web App button. In the free plan, you get 2 million tokens. You receive 1 million tokens per week, which means after using the first million, you can use the remaining million the following week. 2 million tokens are more than enough to try out Rocket, see how it works, or even build some simple prototypes, MVPs, landing pages, or websites. Rocket does its best to build a functional app that's very close to your original request. That's why the generation process can take some time. For example, in our case, it takes between 10 to 25 minutes for the request we submitted. While the app is being built, you can see the progress for each page on the left-hand side. When a page is completed, its icon updates to show it's done. If you go to the code section, you can watch the code being generated in real time, which is very exciting to see. Since we're building a web app, Rocket used React, JavaScript, and Tailwind in our tech stack. As you can see, it created all the screens we need without any errors. The pages, login, recipe library, workout library, progress tracking, AI coach chat. It also gave us a brief report of what it did, along with all the files it created. And it provided us with login details so we can actually see the app in action. And now we're inside our app. The dashboard looks fantastic. I'm really impressed with the overall design. The interface is clean, well organized, and easy on the eyes. No extra tweaking needed. Navigation feels effortless, almost as if a professional UX designer crafted it. Honestly, from this very first build, I'm highly impressed. It nailed exactly what I had in mind. The user experience is outstanding. If I were an end user, moving through this app would feel natural and intuitive. Truly impressive. Here in the recipe library, you can browse all the recipes. Some images aren't loading yet, but that's not an issue for now. Let's pick this one. Wow, it's impressive. You can see the total prep time, calories, and servings. When I click the plus button, the ingredient list updates instantly. Oh my God, that's incredible. You've also got the instructions, nutrition facts, and even chef's tips right here. Now moving to the workout library, on the side there's a filter section where you can choose your workout type, like yoga, cardio, and more. When you click on any workout, you get the duration, calories, and difficulty level. Plus, you can check the workout overview, exercises, warm-up routine, and cool-down routine. Honestly, it looks fantastic. Imagine not knowing a single line of code and building something like this. That's the power of AI craftsmanship. And with one click, you can even add it to your favorites. Here's the progress section where you can track your journey. And finally, the AI coach chat. Click the icon and get AI suggestions tailored just for you. Absolutely impressive. All right, if you want to make changes to anything here, you can simply click the small button. This allows you to edit elements directly on the screen without typing any text commands. One of the biggest advantages is speed. You can make adjustments instantly instead of writing a request for every change. Another big benefit is accuracy. And here's the best part. These edits don't use up any of your tokens. Let me quickly show you how it works. For example, let's say we want to update this element. I can click it and change its background color from here. Let's pick a soft shade of purple. I can also adjust the transparency. Using these built-in color tools helps keep your design consistent across the entire app. Another way to tweak your app is by heading to the code section. There, you can interact with the actual source code, browse through all the generated files, and make your own edits. This is especially powerful if you're a developer. You could generate the entire app and then fine-tune every line of code yourself. For developers, there's also a code diff feature right inside the chat. Once your request is processed, you'll see which files have been created or updated. Clicking the Code Diff button shows all new code in green and any removed code in red, so you can scroll through and review every change. Next to it, you'll find the rollback button. If you prefer the previous version before the changes, simply click it and your app will instantly return to that earlier state. Finally, in the top right corner, you have options to either push your code directly to GitHub or download it. The download option will package all your code into a single zip file, which you can host locally and continue editing from there. We can click here to preview the app in desktop mode, switch to this option to see how it looks on an iPad, or select this one to view it on a mobile phone. If you'd like to move between different pages without navigating through the app itself, you can use the page menu at the top. This makes it easy to jump directly to other pages with a single click. And at any time, if you decide to make your project private or share it publicly with the world, just click the small lock icon here and toggle between private and public mode. Private mode unlocks only when you upgrade. If you ever want to manage your integrations, simply click the settings button at the top, then go to the integration section. There you'll see a complete list of all the services and tools currently connected to your project. If you want to add more integrations, simply click on the one you need and enter your API key. Some available options include Resend, Stripe, Google Analytics, AdSense, Perplexity, Anthropic, and of course Gemini and OpenAI. Right now, this app is just a demo version. It doesn't have any real functionality since nothing here is connected to a database. So let's link this project to Supabase. I'll click Connect. Authorize API access. Choose the organization I want to link, and then hit Authorize. Next, I'll need to select a project. Since I don't have one yet, I'll create a new one. I'll name it Healthy Lifestyle, set a password, choose a region, and click Create New Project. Once that's done, the project is automatically linked and Rocket begins integrating our app with Supabase. This will add user authentication, meaning people can register and log into the app. It also ensures that all user goals and related data are securely stored in Supabase. I tested building another AI-powered web app, a pregnancy calculator web app. The first page is the calculator. Just enter the last menstrual period, LMP, and cycle length, and it calculates the due date instantly using Nagel's rule. The second page is the pregnancy timeline. It shows the full pregnancy journey, a weekly development timeline, the current week, and important pregnancy milestones. There's even an appointment schedule. Simply click the bell icon to set reminders. There's also a pregnancy guide AI page where it's possible to chat and ask anything about pregnancy, like having a friendly, knowledgeable assistant ready to help. Finally, the settings page allows updates to personal information, adjusting calculation preferences, choosing how dates are displayed, managing notifications, and setting privacy preferences. It's simple, smart, and so cool to have all of this in one AI-powered app. We now have the AI-powered Pregnancy Guide AI feature inside our app, but at the moment, it's just a placeholder with no real functionality. So let's bring it to life by adding some actual AI capabilities. On the Guide AI page, add a ChatGPT feature so users can have conversations with the AI about pregnancy. Use the existing chat element already placed on the page. Rocket will add the AI functionality, but it won't have access to your API key yet. So that's why we need to sign up for OpenAI and generate an API key. Since I already have an account, I logged in. Once you're in your account, go to Dashboard, API Keys, Create New Key, give your key a name, click Create Secret Key, then copy it using the Copy button. Paste the key into the provided API key field in Rocket, then click Continue. Make sure you paste it into the designated API key field at the top, not in the chat box at the bottom. This keeps your key safe and private, and that's it. After a few minutes, your API key will be fully integrated, and the AI-powered health expert will be ready to interact with users. If you try to use the chat after your tokens are used up, you'll get an error instead of a response. That's because once your free tokens are finished, the AI chat feature only works if you upgrade your plan. After upgrading, everything works perfectly. and your AI is ready to answer instantly. So, what happens once your app is ready to go live? It's simple, just click the publish button right here, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. I'll see you in the next video.